What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm here with the one and only Big Boy Cheng and I can't believe I'm here. It's the most amazing studio ever.
You're always welcome here at my house. I'm here in Manila, Philippines. Please visit my gallery at Ronak Vinyls. I'm always there guys, ready to serve you guys. This one is released by Diamond, and the yellow one I believe is like they release a few of this. Of course, the Drakes. I got the pink one, the black, so you can you can wear it like mismatch. Yeah, one of my favorites. This one is the undefeated ones, but this one is the new release. They made some for Drake, they say.
Really?
Yeah, like 30 pieces. Yeah. So these are the new ones.
I didn't even know that they made new ones.
Yeah, they have the old ones, right?
Yeah.
And everything's cracked. And this one is the new ones. Yeah. And the Wahlburger. Of course, the Oregons, the PE, Timberlake.
Wow.
So, oh, Stewie. I don't know if they're gonna release this, but this is the friends and family thing. Colorway. Yeah.
So do you like the friends and family color better or the OG release better?
I like the friends and family better, especially the violet ones.
Right.
I think I have it somewhere there. M&M. This one is one of my favorite.
Do you wear all your shoes?
Oh yeah, wear everything.
That's awesome. What pair do you think you wear the most?
Wear the most, of course, the 4Ds.
Oh wow, you have every single one.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite 4D?
Right now, this one. They released this in AtmosCon.
Oh wow.
This one is really nice on the feet.
Oh wow.
Have you seen the first NMD? They released it for friends and family in Germany. Yeah.
And you've got all the Yeezys, so all the
Yeah, I got the Bespoke and the Yeezy from the Louis Vuitton to Nike. To Nike, yes, and then to Adidas over there at the.
Oh my goodness. And you've got all the NERDs and the samples too.
Oh yeah, and the Chanel, this one.
No way.
Oh, this one that really like the Yellow Lobster. Very popular line of SBs.
These ones didn't actually ever come out to the public, did they?
Yeah, I think it's for friends and family, boss. Oh, this one is a historic shoe for me. I got it from years ago when they released it in A-Life, New York.
Oh wow.
This started it all. Like A-Life is one of the stores that started it all. The culture, yeah, the sneaker culture. This one is, I think, Soulfly.
Oh, got it.
Soulfly Jordan 3. Yeah.
What's your most recent pickup?
Recent pickup, Girls Don't Cry SB. Really popular clothing line right now, to apparel line.
I love it.
And they released this. And I still haven't got the white one, the friends and family. I'm looking for it. The Drake.
Oh wow. Whoa.
J4 Splatter. Travis Scott. Oh, this one is the friends and family. Yeah. Undefeated. Yeah.
That's incredible.
Kobe and yeah, some Air Max. Back to the Future.
Have you worn the auto lacing ones?
Oh, never worn.
Never?
Because it's just the same as
It's
this
the same
one.
thing, yeah.
Just the auto lace. Yeah.
Wow. That's
These
so
are old.
interesting.
This is what I always wear.
What's your most comfortable pair of shoes?
Comfortable pair. To be honest, I really like the 4D.
Yeah. Really, over Boost?
Yeah, because it's easy to wear. You know, it's light.
Right.
And very comfy for walking. Of course, the Boost, the Ultra Boost is, but this one is really, you know, like for my feet.
Huh. That's really interesting. I've heard a lot of people don't like it because they feel like it's a little bit too stiff. I personally like them. I don't mind them.
Yeah, me too. I like them. My feet is wide. So, you know, I'm good with this.
That's awesome. Would you ever get like a 3D printer and try and print them out yourself?
I hope so. This one is the hardest to get. The white 3D.
Yeah, I've never seen that one in person.
Yeah. Randy Galang got it for me, but took him like 1 year.
So you have all the off-whites as well.
Yeah. When they opened, they had like a party in New York. They printed in front of you. This one.
That's incredible. Oh my goodness.
This one is nice, the MoMA. They released it in New York.
Didn't they come with like socks and like a ticket to go to the MoMA or something?
Yeah, they have. I got the socks over there. And then this one is the Complex Con, right?
Yep.
This one, yeah. Oh, this one is the Complex Con too. The undefeated Complex Con.
It's nuts.
Oh, this one is one of the best shoes.
Oh wow.
What show is this? It's called the Fukijamas.
Okay.
Undefeated. The show Entourage.
Yeah.
When Turtle got the shoe, this is it. Yeah.
That's so nuts.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Very old. Yeah, the Friends and Family Jordan 3 and Kawhi. The recycled.
I love that. This, I wish they made all the other
Parley.
ones, the Parleys like that, but
Yeah.
I wish they had kept doing that.
But I think this one is more of it's pretty tight. And,
Oh, that
hard,
makes sense because it's not stretchy.
Yeah, but you can wear it still. One is for the like exclusive, like the Boston Marathon. It's like 150 in the world. This one, yeah.
Wow.
I forgot what it's called, Seth. And this one is really nice. The Tokyo Olympic Racer. Paris, of course. Futura.
Wow.
Pigeon.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Para. Pata, I think Pata, Amsterdam.
Damn.
Kanye's first shoe.
Oh my god, the Bapestas?
Yeah. These are old school, really old.
What else do you collect? What other things do you like to toys?
Yeah, I love toys. Yeah, the cost ones, this one, the big ones, the 4-footers.
How do you get something
A
like
long
this?
time ago, they sold it for just like $5,000 each. I think 10 years ago.
Okay.
9-10 years ago. Got the local artists like Ronald Ventura, Leonard Parastu.
Oh, that's awesome.
And Alec Monopolito. And of course, Louis de Guzman, up and coming Chicago artist.
So what got you into art?
Toys.
Toys?
I love toys and then art toys. I went from robots to He-Man, G.I. Joe to art toys.
It's amazing.
And then from art toys, I went into painting. So
That's amazing.
Right now, the culture is really nice. Music, art, and then like sneakers are all one now.
Right.
Including painting, so it's fun. Coming up with the line with Christian Dior now.
Wow.
With Dior, yeah.
Wow, these haven't even come out yet. That's crazy.
Fear of God, yeah.
Wow.
And I got the friends and family over in one room. I'll try to look for it. That one is a Clark Kent Bespoke.
Really?
Yeah, I got it from Flight Club like 6 years or something.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
One of my favorites.
What's your favorite place to shop for like limited shoes?
Of course, #1 shoe shop for me when I go to the US is Riff LA.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Croatian styles.
Yep.
Flight Club.
Yep.
Yeah, those are the places I go.
Because they have the rarest stuff?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Croatian styles, of course, and the rarest ones are with Croatian styles and Riff LA.
That makes sense.
Yes, those are the DJAM.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a pack. I forgot where did I put the other shoe. These are the DJAM SBs.
And you DJ as well?
Yeah, I'm a DJ. Yeah,
That's awesome.
I DJ like 3 times a week here in Manila. You
That's
should come,
awesome.
Seth.
I will absolutely, I'd love to.
Yeah.
I heard some of your set when I was backstage yesterday. It was
Yeah.
amazing. You did a great
Thanks,
job.
boss.
What's your main passion? Like, what do you love to do?
Just play music, shoes, art, and then do my business in the gallery. That's what I do, like work.
That's awesome.
And then buy shoes, buy artworks, buy toys.
That's awesome.
Yes, this one is one of the rarest robots I have.
No way.
Yeah, it's a Japanese style. It's very popular in the Philippines. It's called Voltes 5.
Okay.
This is the first they did. Like it's made of plastic, not yet metal. And I got this art toys like Soyun Lee, one of the favorite artists in the US. She had just had the show with Ronnie Fike in New York.
Oh, I missed that. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
So are these based on the, are these actually the Banksies?
Yeah, but Medicom won't call it Banksy. They have a name for it, but it's made and designed by him. So I'll show you the other toy room.
Oh, you've got the Supreme pinball machine too.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So this is my my warehouse. When I buy stuff, I put it here first. Every day you come here and then get something out. Yeah, so I got this. This one, the Supreme, the porcelain. I'm gonna open it for you later. New stuff also.
What got you into Supreme?
A long time ago, you can just buy Supreme in Hawaii,
Right.
in the malls, and yeah, you can
Really?
in the surf shops. You can buy Supreme before,
Right.
like 18 years ago, 17 years ago.
Right.
And right now, they're really, really big. Yeah. So I got some shoes here, like
Oh my goodness.
tops here, like. Yeah, this one is really nice.
Oh wow.
The What the Dunks.
That's incredible.
One of the shoes that started it. I got the bags from Virgil here.
So how do you like the direction that Virgil's taking it versus?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's really nice. He's a good designer, actually.
He is.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Innovator. Posture. And the Pharrell.
Oh wow.
This one is new. And the bag, the Dior. I'll show you the toy room now. Oh, this one is new.
What are those?
The Oklahoma PE.
No way.
Yeah. I think Oklahoma University, right? Not
Oh my
Ohio.
goodness.
This is an oil painting by a local artist who all of it. That's oil.
That's oil?
Yes.
Wow, so you have to look really close. You see it in the highlights, you see the
Yeah.
brush strokes.
Yeah.
But it's only in the highlights, like from a distance.
Yeah.
Can't even, that's
I got the
amazing.
original Banksy there, one of his first
You're
works.
kidding.
Transformers, Atari.
What's this up here on the wall?
Exhibited before, like 3 years ago in Manila Sneaker Carnival.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, so it's like 50 colors of Adidas, the Pharrell ones.
That's awesome.
So 50-50, I made 2 local artists They'll do like a canvas for it. Jigger Cruz and Fiasco, the other one.
So you obviously really love to support the local artists.
Of course, yeah. That's my what we do. We make local toys also for local artists, and then we sell their paintings too. And these are the Bear bricks. I'm still fixing it. And later I'm gonna show you the upstairs.
Who would you say is your favorite artist of all time? Do you have one?
Yeah, probably for the cost, of course.
Cost?
For the US, yeah.
This is from Rick's Restoration.
Oh my god.
So just drop a coin. It's before it says 10 cents. So maybe it's converted to our local money. Then the light will, once the light goes up, then you just pull.
It's so beautifully restored too.
I'm just the assistant of Big Boy Cheng, so I always help him with these videos. I upload it, so I just assist him in everything. Living national artist, Ben Cam. Wow. So Philippines, these are very expensive. Also, he's into artists. He helps a lot of local artists, so he's also into art and painting.
That's incredible.
It's a graffiti room.
Oh my goodness.
This used to not work, so it now works.
You seen the very big room? Yeah.
I saw, sort of, I saw it through the window. Oh my goodness. And you've got the BB-8 in the middle. That's insane.
These are the mint conditions one, voltage 5, and there's a lot. Because before, people are selling him, they said, oh, this is nice, good condition. And then they present another one that is better condition until he buys all of it. Crazy. That's another artist we make. Those are like the characters of Voltage 5. This is like a vintage local. Mighty Kid is a shoe maker, like a local company. That's already like a vintage. He has restored it. All kinds of Supreme shirt. Yeah, all Supreme.
The Louis Vuitton, the Brooklyns.
Yeah, Mike Tyson. You see the Mike Tyson?
All Supreme, right?
Like Off-White, like North Face.
And the room has its own thing.
Oh my goodness. Does he wear all of this?
Yeah.
No way.
Champion. So they have different brands. So most of these are, he doesn't use it anymore.
Right.
Because it went up here, but when he goes out of the country, then he gets some stuff.
So does he pick certain things that he likes, or does he just order everything?
Most of the time he orders everything, all the colors.
These sneakers are actually inspired by or done by local politicians here in the Philippines. So that's how big the sneaker thing is here in the Philippines. So this one is by Bongo. He's like running for senator right now. This one is from a mayor. He used to be a mayor of Makati City.
This one is not for sale, so they go to one town and then they have a like 3-point shooting contest. Whoever wins gets this pair. So this is like
super 3-point king.
Yeah, you can buy it. You can.
And this is his gallery, right? Secret Fresh.
Secret Fresh. I will see it later.
This is a collaboration with his gallery, Secret Fresh, and Highlander. Highlander is a popular footwear before,
right? So
he's reviving it.
What's your favorite shoe? Do you have a favorite shoe?
Yeah, 4Ds and Yeezys.
4Ds. Oh, you got a pair of really nice 4Ds on right now. The what? The Dornbeckers?
Yeah, I think this was auctioned, if I'm not mistaken. One pair per size.
Anyway, this is the very controversial, super infamous reflective triple black statics. Yeezy Mafia tweeted that this was a fake. Of course, it was a photo from Big Boy Cheng's collection. So this is it. This is a sample pair. Pretty much retracted like after like a few days, I guess. People started bombarding and telling them, you know, do you actually know who you're talking to?
We're about to do an unboxing. I can't wait.
Follow Big Boy Cheng at YouTube. We're over 68,500 now.
No way! Get him to 100,000.
And when we reach 69,000, we will have a big party with all the ladies. And today, Seth, welcome to the Philippines. First of all, how do you like the Philippines?
It's amazing. Every single person I've met has been incredible, and I've never been in a place where not one person I've met haven't liked.
Oh, thank you.
It's incredible, yeah.
So you really like me, huh?
I do. Oh, the America exclusive.
Yeah. Cameraman, can you please closing up the shoe? This one is the earpod. Adrian got it for me in Singapore. It's made by Louis Vuitton, the white earpod. So I'm just going to show them the white
This is really nice.
Yes, we call this the red, black, and yellow na colorway. So
Wow.
this is one of our popular colorways. Class sneakers is our third wheel.
Very on season with summer. I think that's what's really nice about it. Especially in the Philippines, it's ridiculously hot these days.
Before I go, I want to once again thank Big Boy Cheng for the unbelievable hospitality and generosity. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Big Boy's channel. The link is in the very top of the description. We also filmed a pretty insane unboxing at his house, which is already live on his channel, so you guys definitely should check that out. But on a slightly different note, I also want to thank Big Boy once again for his unbelievable generosity. Not only did he invite me to his home and let me experience his insane collection, he also gave me a bunch of stuff. I literally have to go out and buy a second suitcase so I can go home today. That's not a joke. Obviously the hoodie is from Big Boy, but also so is everything on the bed. You've got t-shirts, sweatshirts, sandals, and that's not even all of it. There's also shirts and sweatshirts packed in my first suitcase, and then it gets even crazier. Big Boy actually gave me my very first bear brick. I've never owned a bear brick in my life, and I can't think of a more incredible way to get my first one, or I guess my first two, because it's a 400% and a 100%. This is obviously Marvin the Martian from Space Jam, and I think Big Boy has unknowingly started a new addiction for me, which is toy collecting, which, thank you for the toy, but not thank you for the addiction. But that's not even it. There's still something else. Big Boy actually gave me a brand new pair of one of my grail sneakers. So some of you guys might know what this is from the box, but if you don't, let me open this up. This is the Supreme Nike Flyknit Lunar 1. This is a shoe that in 2013 when this first came out, I always wanted, but I just literally could not get. And now 6 years later in 2019, I can't think of a more incredible way to actually get this sneaker, and the memories tied to this shoe, I'll never forget, and this is a shoe that's gonna remain in my collection forever. But guys, on that incredible note, that pretty much wraps up the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.